Oh,
Wait a minute.
I thought you something about
Okay,
birthday.
today is Marcus. What's today's date? May 10th. Today is May 10th, Saturday, the day before Mother's Day. I'm with my lovely mother, Maddie Rainey. Say hello, Mom.
Hello.
And just glad to, I'm a mother of two, and Mom is a mother of 10. Just grateful to be here and thank God for His special sunlight shining so bright. And Mom, say what you have to say.
I first off been had my teeth in.
Well, go ahead and talk. Can't nobody tell but you, Mom. Say something
Oh,
this
I'm
much.
so happy to be with my daughter on Mother's Day, and she's a mother
Of
and
two.
two, and they here with me today, and I enjoy that. And she's gonna fix me a nice dinner, and I'm gonna sit down and eat, and then she gonna
Doze off. We're going to doze off and go to
make us
sleep.
those I'm go to sleep. Thank
Now
you.
we're going to take a
Bye.
picture. She said, bye. All right. Come, Marcus, take our picture.
You know that.